here's meteorologist Stephanie Waldrop with your Storm Track 3 forecast.
Well, good afternoon, everybody. We've got a little bit of everything happening today. We're seeing rain showers, then we're going to be seeing quiet weather, and then we're going to talk about Irma. That's the way we're going to go here as we head throughout the next 4 minutes. Currently, taking a look out of our Stevenson Skyview camera, we're seeing some clouds out there. Saw some rain showers roll through downtown Wilmington here just a few minutes ago, and we're going to continue to see chances for scattered showers. Temperatures are right around 80 degrees. We'll get into the mid-80s for our afternoon highs, but those temperatures are going to be mixed with rain showers. We've got a cold front that's rolling across the U.S. You can see that cold front right here stretching all the way from the Gulf of Mexico and up through the northeast. That is going to push through our region and bring us a good chance for rain, and we're getting a lot of energy in front of that as well. All of the rain showers here have ended for the most part across the Cape Fear, but we're not quite done with them yet. Here's a look at our rapid refresh model. It's kind of overdoing it on the rain that we're seeing right now. We're not seeing quite this much rain, but as I put this into motion here, that chance for rain is going to increase, and I want you to pay attention more so to the yellows and the oranges. That's where we'll be seeing most of the rainfall. Some of those showers and thunderstorms could be happening during your evening commute, unfortunately, and then it's going to continue here into those overnight hours, but then dry out after midnight, and then we should be seeing clear skies, fall-like temperatures in the upper 70s and lower 80s for your daily highs, and then low 60s for your overnight lows. Now let's take a look, and let's look at Irma and talk about it. High-res satellite showing what a monster of a storm this is. Currently a Category 5 storm moving to the northwest. Taking a closer look at this eye, it is going to be skirting the Virgin Islands, if not going right over those before skirting Puerto Rico and continuing on its very dangerous path. There are tropical storm warnings, hurricane warnings in effect through all of the Caribbean as the storm continues to move off to the northwest. And then one thing that we want to know is when is it going to take that turn? So we continue to the northwest at 16 miles an hour here through the rest of the week. Then the weekend, that's where we're going to be seeing that much anticipated turn to the north. This turn is incredibly hard to forecast. I cannot stress that enough. It is very hard to see just how quick it's going to be turning and where exactly it's going to be turning. I don't want you to pay so much attention to this red line, but rather the cone, because the center of the storm could be anywhere inside the cone of uncertainty. So it could go up the Florida Peninsula. That would be catastrophic for Florida. It could stay out over open waters and move into and make landfall on the southeast coast, and that would be worse for parts of the southeast. So this is definitely something that we need to be watching very closely. We did see a shift in the models here last night and into this morning. Yesterday, these models were more to the west, kind of stretched out over the Florida Peninsula. You can see a lot of them now over the open Atlantic and have the landfall making in the southeast. These are just models. There's also a lot of days in between now and when the storm will be in our area for these to change. So now, as we head into the rest of the week and into the weekend, it is not time to panic, but it is rather time to get prepared because, like I said, these can change, and the direct impact is really going to have a huge effect on this turn and just how quickly and when that turn happens. So make sure to stay with WWAY. You can do that on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. You can also follow us on our website, and do not forget to download the WWAY Storm Track 3 weather app. Let's take a look here at our 7-day. For today, we're going to be seeing scattered showers and storms. After the scattered showers and storms, we've got a nice stretch of weather. Fall-like temperatures, lots of sunshine, but then early next week is really going to depend on Irma and where she tracks.